Hey y'all, this is your good old Skywatcher here today. How y'all doing? Y'all doing alright out there? Alright. Today is June the 10th, 2024. It's about high noon. Skies are perfectly clear. It's not a cloud in the sky today. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm doing alright. Skies are pretty quiet today. Yeah, I haven't seen a moon in over a week. Yeah, we're about 70 degrees. It's a very good breeze. I think the breeze coming from the northwest. Yeah. Keeping it a little cooler. Uh-huh. Yeah. Alright. Sun is very bright, very white sun. Hope y'all doing okay, wherever y'all are. Right. Sun is pretty low in the sky. Yeah, sun is very low. That was fully zoomed in. Alright. That's about halfway zoomed in. You believe the sun is 93 million miles away? Really? Got the little birds singing. Whistling away. Righty. if y'all see anything strange. Alright, not much to say, but get out and enjoy your day. Air quality is excellent. Yeah, post your comments below. Let me know how y'all doing. I think this will be it for now. Just checking in on the sun. Alright. Alright. Keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. I shall talk to y'all later. Alright. Not even the sprayer today. Strange. There's usually a sprayer around or two. 2 or 3. But yeah. The sun rose in the northeast, way north, while the moon rises in the east, more to the southeast. Didn't see a moon last night either. Anyway, I'm gone. Keep your eyes in the skies. I'll talk to y'all later.